Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Junior, and I'm just going to take a couple minutes to talk about my Tesla, specifically the accessories I just purchased on Amazon. While everybody's hoarding toilet paper and all this stuff for the coronavirus, I decided to accessorize my Tesla. I've had it for 18 months, and honestly, I've never done anything to it. Vinyl wrap, chrome delete, etc. So I'm going to share what I bought for my Tesla today. I'm a little late to the party. But for those of you who just bought a Tesla, this may help you out. And if you own one, maybe I'll help you out as well. So I'm going to go ahead and include all the links to my accessories in the description below. And here we go. Okay guys, I pretty much ordered these door handle vinyl wraps from Nikola Pro. They were about $20, as you can see. They came with 4 of them. They actually have a video. It's pretty much self-explanatory. The instructions are pretty much easy. Alright guys, this is pretty much easy. You can do this under 5 minutes. The instructions are fairly easy. You pretty much have to clean the door handles. They provide wipes. You pretty much align the vinyl wrap on the door handle. Make sure you have equal space, meaning all the chrome. As you can see, it's pretty much all equal. Once you have it aligned, what you gotta do is pretty much press down, make sure it sticks. And once that's done, you just gotta pretty much take this film out. There you go. Say hi, Isaiah.
Hello.
Okay, here's another accessory I ordered, which is pretty much helpful for passengers. One of the biggest questions I get from passengers is, how do you open the door? So I ordered these stickers that actually illuminate at night, and I'm going to put them on and make sure, or see if they do illuminate at night. It looks like it does because it's kind of a glow-in-the-dark kind of color. Anyways, you could tell they give you an extra copy or set in case one peels off. As you can tell, this is the front and this is the rear of the right side car and the left side car. And these are extra in case one of them fall off. Let's put them on and see how they look. So it's pretty much easy to apply. You pretty much line up the corners, and that's how it looks. And here's a little tip. You see this? This is a actual noodle for the pool. I put this in because I almost hit the door on the wall. Well, actually my wife, I give her credit. She put these noodles so in case you want to open the door to prevent it from scratching. There you go. All right. Okay, so the last thing I ordered is pretty much this wireless charging pad. This is actually from this company. I looked it up on Amazon. I know there's other ones, but I decided to go with this one. It was $34. I'll see if it works. Hopefully it does. They had a lot of great reviews. As you can see, 2 sides for your phone. I should have ordered this from day one. Comes with everything you need. I didn't think about landscape mode, but no big deal. I'm gonna put this in the car and see how this works. All right, guys, I just pretty much put this wireless charger. As you can see, it's charging, it's working. Okay, another accessory I purchased was this little tray. It's like a little organizer. You can put your coins, etc. Fits nice and snug right in there. All right, guys.
We're gonna get somebody.
These are my kids' absolute favorite accessory. What is it, kids?
It is racing.
Video games on the Tesla. You love Tesla, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
They
I'll
also
catch you up in
have
the next
a
one.
booty fart.
Peace. What? Booty fart?